Hi everyone, I am so glad that you found your way here today. If you love food, fun, and learning, then you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are going to talk about one of my favorite things in the entire world: cooking. Cooking is more than just putting ingredients together, it's about creating memories, bringing people closer, and sharing love through food. Whether you are here to learn how to make a delicious family dinner, impress your friends at a birthday party, or prepare something amazing for the holidays, I have got you covered. Cooking has always been a passion of mine. I love the way good food brings families together. There is nothing like preparing a meal, watching people like their very first bite, and then seeing those big smiles spread across their faces. And here is the truth: cooking doesn't have to be hard. With the right audience and simple step by step instructions, anyone can make recipes that taste just as good as restaurant meals, or even better, because they are made with love at home. That's why I started sharing my cooking journey. I want you to feel confident in your kitchen, whether you are making something small and simple for yourself or preparing a huge feast for a family gathering. Some of my favorite recipes come from my family: my mom, my grandma, even my grandma. They have all passed down recipes through the generations, and every time I cook them, I feel like I am carrying on a tradition. These aren't just meals, they are stories on a plate. Imagine making your grandmother's pie recipe and realizing that the same pie was made decades ago for your parents, your grandparents, and now for your kids. That's the magic of family cooking. But I don't just stick to old family recipes. Over the years, I have experimented a lot. I have made mistakes. I have had some trial and error moments in the kitchen, and yes, some recipes did not quite work out, but that's how you learn. And now, after years for practice, I have got recipes that my kids absolutely love, and I can't wait to share them with you. Speaking of kids, let's talk about one of the best way to make life easier in the kitchen: getting the little ones involved. My kids love helping me cook, whether it's mixing batter, sprinkling cheese, or just stirring the pot. They always find joy in the process. And here's the best part: it keeps them busy. Not only that, but it teaches them confidence. When children start cooking with you, they are learning life skills. They get exposure to ingredients, they learn about measuring, and they see how raw food turns into a delicious meal. By the time they grow up and leave home, they already feel comfortable in the kitchen. So, if you have kids, invite them to cook with you. Start with easier recipes, let them test as they go, and celebrate their little victories. Trust me, the memories you make together will last forever. Now, cooking isn't just about everyday meals. Sometimes you need recipes for bigger events, birthday parties, backyard barbecues, or even large holidays gatherings. And don't worry, I have got recipes for all those occasions too. For example, imagine throwing a summer barbecue. You can make grilled chicken, fresh salads, and of course my family's famous potato salad recipe that always disappears in minutes. Or if you are hosting a birthday party, there are plenty of fun, kid friendly recipes that will keep everyone happy. The best part about learning to cook is with versatility. Once you understand the basics, you can take any recipe and adapt it for the occasion. And I will be here to guide you step by step so you can feel like a pro no matter the size of the crowd. Now, since the holidays are coming up, I want to share some of my favorite festive recipes that your family will love. First, let's talk about a holiday classic, honey baked ham, sweet, savory, juicy. This dish is always the centerpiece of the table. Then there is a whole roasted turkey, whether it's Thanksgiving or Christmas. A perfectly cooked turkey brings everyone together. Don't worry, I will show you exactly how to make it golden and delicious without the stress. Another special dish is ratatouille. It's colorful, healthy, and looks like something straight out of a gourmet restaurant. Yet, it's simple enough for you to make at home. And of course, I can't forget my family's favorite, Matt's meatloaf recipe. This one has been perfected over time and is the ultimate comfort food. Finally, if you have got a sweet tooth, try my easy banana bread recipe, soft, moist, and perfect for breakfast or dessert. Plus, it's a great way to use up those overripe bananas sitting on your counter. You see, cooking is more than just feeding people, it's about connection, it's about creating special moments. The kitchen becomes the heart of the home, whether laughter happens, stories are shared, and love is poured into every dish. I know life can be busy and sometimes ordering food seems easier, but trust me, the effort you put into home cooked meals is worth it. The smiles, the laughter, and the memories, they are priceless. So, whether you are cooking just for yourself, for your kids, or for a big family gathering, remember that every recipe is a chance to share love. I am so honored that you have joined me today in this cooking journey. I hope you feel inspired to try some new recipes. Invite your kids into the kitchen and create memories that last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more recipes, and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. And before you go, tell me in the comments what's your favorite family recipe. I would love to hear your stories and maybe even try some of your recipes too. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your kitchen always be filled with love, laughter, and delicious food. See you soon.